Hi guys, welcome to Creative Sensei. I hope you are all well, and today we are gonna talk about how you can install the Visual Studio Code in the easiest way. Also, which means DW compiler is the best in Windows. So make sure to follow to the end. So let's dive in. So first, open the browser, Google or Opera, but you have, and type the Visual Studio Code, and click on the above link that goes to the Visual Studio Code official website. So here is a two version of Visual Studio Code. First is a stable that most people use and reliable, and second is for insiders that provide access to the latest feature improvement and bug fixes that also come with unknown bug. So we use the stable one and download it. So after the download process, let's install it. I want to create icon on a desktop, so I check this button. Else you uncheck this button. And click on the finish button. So I forgot to uncheck the button. So let's just close it. Now we need a MinGDB compiler for C++ program. So let's open the browser again and type newman.net. Link is also available in the description. And click on MinGDB distro and click on the first link .exe. So let's install this MinGDB compiler. And this is the best compiler I ever installed. I will show you, so keep up with me. I want to change the location, else you can install it in the default location. In this compiler, you no need to check the options of other MinGDB compiler that are you seen. This compiler is too easy to install. No need to run any other commands, check boxes. This installation time is rather than very short than the other compiler. So let's add the path of our compiler. Just open the View Advanced System Settings and open the environmental variables. I will add the path in the user variable. If the user variable is not working, you can add it in the environmental variable. So let's type first path and open the location of the bin folder of MinGDB. Let's check the folder and click OK. Else you can copy the address of the folder and paste it here. So let's check our MinGDebugging compiler, and now open the run command and type cmd and hit enter, and run this command to check our compiler is ended successfully or not. So you made a mistake. Let's try out another command, g++ /explosion, and our compiler is added successfully. If your same error is there, then you need to change the path in the environmental variable, and our both commands are run successfully. Let's go. Now open the Visual Studio Code. Let's create a folder file. Just open a folder. We need to create a new one. Just create it here. Two. Cool. Select the folder just and open. First, we need to install some extensions to run C++ programs. C++ and C++ IntelliSense. These are the basic extensions of C++. And then now we need another extension for running our code runner. We also install the extension of to chaining themes called Cobalt2, which is my favorite fan. So let's install it. This theme is so here's another extension for changing the background. Let's install it also. Here it is. Yeah, background cover. Install it. And after installation, you will see their option in the right corner. Click on the icon and select picture for manual selection, because I have some. So let's start it. Yes. This error is randomly pop-up, so don't worry. I will show you the running program. So let's create a code. Of a simple string. Let's create it. So let's run the program. You can also run the code in the above right corner run option. So let's just switch our panel. I want to position it right. No, it's aligned. Panel position aligned. Right. So here it is. Creative Sensei. And here it is. Our code is running successfully. So if this video is helpful for you, a like and a subscribe are highly appreciated for me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.